If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Filecoin, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your wallet address. Ensure that the wallet address you are using is correct and matches the one associated with your Filecoin account. A mismatch can lead to verification issues. Step 2. Confirm transaction status. Visit the Filecoin blockchain explorer to check the status of your recent transactions. Look for any pending or failed transactions that might be causing the verification delay. Step 3. Review required documentation. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Filecoin support for assistance. Provide them with details about your account and the verification issue to expedite the resolution. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, be patient and wait for confirmation from Filecoin. Verification can take some time, so keep an eye on your account for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on Filecoin efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the community or support channels.